Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you all are having a fabulous weekend. So today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and I think today is the perfect day to open it. I kind of see Sundays as like self-care day, like I tend to do face masks and stuff like that, like just anything that's really relaxing on a Sunday, and I don't think I'm alone. So today we are opening a box called Relaxology, and they say this is self-care in a box. So this is what the packaging looks like. And as usual, since this is a brand new box, I'm going to pull up the description and we're going to go over it quick and then I will get unboxing. So on their website it says this is a variety of carefully curated natural self-care products conveniently delivered right to your door each month. Each box is thoughtfully designed to help you slow down, relax, recharge, and enjoy a little self-indulgence. Savor the delights you will receive in each box, improve your mental health, and increase your happiness. It says this is a great way to experience new artisan products you won't find in department stores. The owner actually told me a lot of these come from like local businesses and a lot of Etsy shops, and I love supporting small business, so I think that is awesome. And it says the price starts at $35.95 per month with free shipping. I do have a promo code. I will leave that in the description box. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you guys, so definitely check that out if you're interested after I unbox everything. All the information and the links will be in the description box as always. So let's get unboxing. I am super excited because I know I'm going to spend my Sunday probably using this stuff, so I am very excited. I say I'm excited all the time. Are you guys annoyed by that yet? You guys need to let me know what you guys have been doing this weekend. Anything fun? Oh, super cute. When I open it, this is what I see. It says thank you, and everything is tissued and packaged very well. Doing this cute little ribbon on there. Oh my god, you guys, I'm starting to take the tissue paper off and it smells so good. Oh my god, I can't get over the smell. So there is a little a sheet of paper in here. Look at this colorful pretty paper. So let's see what it says. So it looks like there's a lot of information on all the products inside, which is awesome. And on the top it says, this is all about creating opportunities to take care of your body, improve your mental health, and overall well-being. We believe self-care equals self-love, and I agree. So their vision is to connect and partner with other small businesses, like I said, offering our subscribers high-quality artisan products that aren't found in stores. They mindfully choose a variety of small batch-made products along with fun accessories and other goodies to provide a luxurious spa experience shipped right to your home. I'm super excited. So that is the top that I just read most of it up, and then here is a description of all the items. So I'll just keep this nearby to reference throughout the unboxing. And then we got some of the brown squigglies and all the goodies inside. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see. Oops. It dropped out of the box, but okay, so when something is inside here, which dropped down, and I just put it right back in. So let's open it and see what this is. It looks like this might be like a little, like paperweight. It says relax, refresh, and recharge. Or is it a magnet? I think it might be a magnet, because look at the back, but this is what it looks like. That's cool and a good reminder. Relax, refresh, recharge. So let me find it on here. So it is a magnet. It says it's a beautiful magnet, custom made especially for our Relaxology subscribers. Keep it visible as a reminder to slow down and take some time to nurture yourself, your mind, body, and soul. I think that is a great reminder. And this is like some good weight to it, so it'll actually hold things on your fridge. I don't know about you guys, but I've like had some magnets that don't work, but let's move on to the next item. Oh yes, I need some candles in my life. This is 100% soy candle, homemade gorgeous candles, all natural, and it's lavender. And you guys, if you're familiar with my channel and me, you know I love lavender. It is such a great scent, especially for relaxing. This smells good. It doesn't smell like just straight up lavender essential oils, you know? It smells really good. I would think there's some other scents in there too. Why am I showing you that? I'm like, here, smell. Let's see if there's any information you need to know about this on here. So this is by Gorgeous Soap, 100% natural soy lavender candle. It's made with 100% soy wax and lavender essential oil. Soy candles burn up to 50% longer and are cleaner than paraffin wax. So awesome. This seriously smells so good. But that's not the scent I was really smelling from this box. There's something else that's really fragrant and yummy in here. Ooh, it looks like there's a bath bomb or a bath truffle. This is Jasmine Crushed Bath Truffle by naturaldesireesoapco.com, purely homemade. So here is the label. And then this is what it looks like. I'm guessing a bath truffle is like a bath bomb. This is so cute. Let me read and see what it is. So it says, this amazing truffle creates an abundance of bubblies that will lusciously love your skin with organic butters. It's a unique blend of sassy jasmine and lavender essential oils infused with shea and cocoa butter to help retain your skin's natural sheen. Simply crumble it under warm running bath water and relax. So it is similar to a bath bomb, but I guess you just crumble it yourself instead of just dropping in. So I'm excited to use this. I can't really tell the smell. I don't want to open it because then it'll get all crumbly. But it does smell good. Everything smells good right now. Oh, nice. I love body scrubs. This is by Turquoise Anchor. It is a sugar scrub and creme brulee. Awesome. And then you can kind of see the scrub in there. Nice. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Like, I want to eat it, but I won't. So, this smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like dessert. Let's see. This sugar scrub exfoliates and deeply nourishes your skin, leaving your skin brilliant and brighter. Formulated with coconut, olive, and sweet almond oil. Simply massage a small amount to your wet skin, avoiding your face in the shower or bath, paying close attention to dry spots. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a towel. Awesome. So, again, that is what it looks like. I like the little anchor on there. I like the name, Turquoise Anchor. It's cute. Ooh, is this lotion? Awesome, I love lotion. This is the Soapbox Goat's Milk Lotion, honey, goat's milk, and shea butter, eucalyptus spearmint. This is a good size too. And there is the back of it. And it says, this deliciously scented body lotion is loaded with natural moisturizing ingredients and will leave your skin silky smooth. Shea and cocoa butter, sweet almond, soybean, and sunflower oils, in addition to goat's milk extract, all work together to nourish your skin for hours. Only the best ingredients to improve and repair your skin. Let's try it out. I tried like the in-shower lotion today, and I think it worked. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it definitely smells like eucalyptus more than spearmint. But it smells nice. Ooh, yeah, my skin does feel soft, nice. I like to focus like lotion, extra lotion on my hands and like my elbows because that can be like a rough spot. Awesome. Oh my god, I think this is what I was smelling and I've never tried one of these before. I'm so intrigued. This is by Stony River. It's lemongrass shampoo bar. Have you guys tried a shampoo bar? I've heard of these before. I heard they're like way better for you and stuff like that. It says it's certified organic RSPO palm oil, so it's sustainable palm oil, which is really important to a lot of people. It smells really good. I love the smell of lemongrass. And then there is the back of it. So it says, made the old-fashioned way, this handcrafted shampoo is formulated to caress your hair with an enriching lather and may be used anywhere on your skin. That's awesome to have like a multi-use item. It says made with all natural ingredients. Simply lather, rinse, and lather again and follow with clean water to rinse. It's mild for dry and sensitive skin and scalps. I'm so intrigued to try this. It smells awesome, but I really love the idea of being able to use something as a shampoo and as a hair product. This is really pretty too. It's like, I like the green and the yellow colors. And I think that's everything, but let me double check. Oh wait, there's one more thing. That's always so exciting when you think you're done and then that you find something. Oh, and it looks like this is by that Turquoise Anchor company, which I think their logo is so cute, so I'm excited about it. Looks like it's a lip balm. It's in this little cute bag. Yeah, this is, like I said, by Turquoise Anchor, lip butter and peppermints. So this is what it looks like. I love things with anchors. I just got these glasses as a FabFitFun add-on. You guys might have seen that. I think those are so cute. They have anchors on it. But it says this smooth and creamy all-natural balm is perfect for soothing dry lips, made with shea butter, coconut butter, vitamin E, and beeswax. It will keep your lips soft and subtle for hours. Awesome. So overall, I think this is a great box. I think it really does give you a lot of things to help relax and have like an at-home spa day, which is awesome. I love that kind of thing. So like I said, I do have a 10% off code. I just pulled it up on my phone so I could tell you guys, but it'll, like I said, be down below. It's SB Save 10, so yeah, you can save 10%. I will leave all the information, like I said, in the description box, and I just want to thank you all so much for being here. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.